Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. To walk River Street is to walk on the literal foundations of Savannah's global legacy. Beneath your feet lie the ballast stones, smooth rocks from distant shores, brought over in the hulls of 18th and 19th century sailing ships to keep them steady on the Atlantic. Once they arrived in the Savannah River, these stones were discarded to make room for cargo, eventually being reclaimed to pave the very streets that would drive the city's economy. This isn't just a road, it is a mosaic of the world geology. A physical reminder that Savannah has always been a crossroads of international trade. For over a century, River Street was the Wall Street of the South. This was the domain of the cotton factors, the powerful brokers who determined the world price of king cotton, from their offices perched high above the river. The architecture here tells the story of ingenious engineering. Because of the steep sandy bluff that separates the river from the city above, builders created massive multi-story warehouses. The lower levels, opening onto River Street, stored the heavy bales of cotton and industrial goods, while the upper levels connected to the city street via a series of iron bridges. This vertical city allowed for a seamless flow of wealth from the dark holds of the ships to the elegant parlors of the historical district. But life on River Street wasn't always a scene of polished commerce. In the 1800s, this was a place of raw, unbridled energy. It was a labyrinth of sailors, taverns, bustling warehouses, and the relentless noise of industry. The air would have been thick with the sounds of heavy machinery, the shouting of merchants in a dozen different languages, and the constant clatter of horse-drawn wagons over the uneven stones. It was a place of immense wealth, but also a place of immense hardship, where the labour of thousands built the grand mansions that still stand on top of the hill. As the cotton industry faded in the mid-20th century, River Street fell in a period of quiet decay. For decades, these massive stone warehouses stood as silent ghosts of a bygone era, abandoned to the elements. It wasn't until the 1970s that a visionary urban renewal project breathed new life into the waterfront. Today, the warehouses have been transformed, but they haven't lost their character. The thick brick walls and the heavy timber beams remain, housing the spirit of a city that refused to let its history crumble. River Street today is a celebration of that resilience. It has transitioned from a rugged industrial port to one of the most iconic waterfronts in the world. As the modern city pulses above, River Street remains anchored to the water, offering a sensory journey through time. You can still feel the damp river air and the echoes of the past in the narrow alleys and steep stone ramps. It is a place that honors its blue-collar roots while embracing its role as the city's most vibrant gathering spot. To understand the grit and the glory of Savannah, you have to start here, on the stones that built the city.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.